Step 1. Turn on the main power. Step 2. Give some throttle. Step 3. Push the pressure reducer while starting the engine. Push forward, move forward. Pull back, move backward. Push the left joystick to the left, raise the arm. Push it to right, lower the arm. Push the right joystick to the left to retract the bucket. Push it to right to extend the bucket. The middle joystick controls the attachment. Push it forward and backward to rotate 316 degrees in place.